Okay, so here we have our teapot and the various different pieces that we have pulled and thrown to make it complete. Now it's time to stick all these things together, and the way that we do this is through a process called slipping and scoring. And the scoring part is fairly self-explanatory. We're simply scoring clay, like this. We can use a fork or a pin tool, or even a rib with some scoring marks on it. And the slip part is like the glue, the stuff that cements everything together. And to make slip, you simply take some of your old clay that you have sitting on your board, or whatever kind of clay you have sitting around, as long as it's clean, and you put it in to a bowl or something like this and add some water. And then we let it sit and mash it up with a fork or a knife or however you want to do it. And after we let it sit for a while, we will have a substance that looks like this once we mix it up. And this is called slip. It's simply clay that has a lot of water in it and becomes what looks like chocolate pudding or something like that. And this is very important. This is the glue that sticks everything together, and it's the most important part of joining all the different parts of our teapot together. So now I've demonstrated how to make your slip. We're going to move on, and I'm going to show you now how to put all these different elements together.